Hey road warriors and savvy drivers. Welcome back to the channel where we help you navigate the world of automotive tech. Today, we're focusing on a smart investment for your ride, front and rear dash cams that won't break the bank, all under $100. Get ready to see how these affordable devices can provide crucial evidence, deter theft, and give you that extra layer of security on every journey. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful automotive tech reviews. We have found some real gems, and all the links to check out these budget-friendly front and rear dash cams are in the description below. Let's gear up for safer travels. Number 5. Brand name, LINGDU, model number, LD01. The LD01 dash cam records in Ultra HD 4K and includes a 1080 pixels rear camera, allowing for dual-channel video recording. Its 150-degree wide-angle lens captures details in both the front and rear of your vehicle. LD01 dash cam features a hands-free voice function, allowing for easy control with simple commands. Designed with safety in mind, this dash cam captures important moments without distracting you from driving. The built-in GPS module enables the dash cam to pinpoint the location and route of the vehicle on the map. You can record and share the wonderful moments of your journey. Experience a smarter, safer drive today. Number 4. Brand name, LINGDU, model number, LD06. LINGDU Dual Dash Cam provides convenient experience in downloading and sharing videos to user. User could connect the dash cam to smartphone simply via 5 GHz Wi-Fi. LINGDU LD06 dash cam would create emergency video files once abnormal external force is detected. 5K dashcam provides important evidence for unpredictable accidents. Experience the convenience of app, allowing you to effortlessly view, download and share your videos with friends and family at a single touch on social media platforms or through any messenger app. Car dash camera provides user with convenient operation in taking real-time pictures and recording videos. Number 3. Brand name, REDTIGER, model number, A4. The REDTIGER A4 dash cam front and rear delivers Ultra HD 4K front and 1080 pixels rear video, capturing license plates and road signs with unmatched clarity. Ideal for drivers needing car camera dash cam evidence with dual lens precision. Streamline your driving experience with lightning-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Enjoy swift file transfers and real-time streaming, making it convenient to review and share your footage. Intuitive navigation is at your fingertips with the 2-inch touchscreen display. It offers a user-friendly interface for a comfortable and accessible experience. Built-in GPS logs speed or routes for insurance disputes. Protect crucial moments with G-sensor technology that locks footage during impacts. Super Night Vision ensures sharp video quality, day or night, for reliable clarity. Number 2. Brand name, AZDOME, model number, GS63H Pro. AZDOME GS63H Pro dashcam front and rear camera brings to you dual dash cam which records video of up to Ultra HD 4K plus FHD 1080 pixels resolutions, ensuring clear recordings of the road ahead and behind you. AZDOME GPS player could view the speed, route, latitude and longitude of the recorded video. GS63H Pro car dashcam provides evidence during emergencies. GPS dashboard camera could completely record the driving route data. AZDOME GS63H Pro car camera is connected to the AZDOME app via built-in Wi-Fi, no data transmission is required. Number 1. Brand name, AZDOME, model number, M550 Pro. AZDOME M550 Pro 3CH4K is a very comprehensive and professional dashcam with 3 cameras. The front and rear camera keep an eye on the road and the interior camera films driver and occupants. The AZDOME M550 Pro is therefore ideally suited for cabs or driving schools. The M550 Pro also records in the sharpest 4K resolution and it is equipped with Wi-Fi and GPS. AZDOME GPS player could view the speed, route, latitude and longitude of the recorded video. The car security camera M550 Pro provides evidence during emergencies. Car camera could completely record the driving route data. The AZDOME M550 Pro equipped with Wi-Fi and therefore all images can be easily viewed via smartphone. This AZDOME M550 Pro has a wide-angle lens of 170 degrees on the front and 140 degrees on the back and inside.